All right, now we have questions 10 to 13. Question number 10, the topic is how honeybees choose a new nest. So this thing shows all the questions and answers are going to be in order because we have flowchart completion. Whenever there is any completion type of question, questions and answers are going to be in order. So honeybees, please look for honeybees. Fifth paragraph, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth paragraph. It means all the answers will be found in one paragraph because they've mentioned honeybees over there. And how many questions? 4 questions and 1 paragraph. So you should complete it all in 4 minutes. 3 to 4 minutes it should be done because you know एक ही paragraph है, 4 questions and answers are in order. Now, honeybee dash explore possible nest site. Listen, whenever right after the subject they give you a blank, usually the answer is a verb because English sentence formation is subject, verb, object. So honeybee is a subject. Honeybee dash explore possible nest sites. So it can be like honeybee travels, and by the way question type is no more than 2 words. So honeybee helps, honeybee travels, explore possible nest sites. So let's come back. Honeybees mentioned here, I'm reading it from 3rd line. The honeybees choose, found it? Third line. The honeybees choose as a group which new nest to move to. First, scouts fly off to investigate multiple sites. First, scouts. Scouts means honeybee scouts fly off to investigate multiple sites. Now, answer is in this sentence. Check what it is. The honeybee choose as a group which new nest to move. First, scouts. Scouts means honeybee scouts. Fly off. Yeah, scouts fly off is one phrasal verb to investigate multiple sites. So please come back. Honeybee scouts. Now, if you write fly off, it's going to be 3 words. That will not be the right answer. So the answer is only scouts. Scouts. Huh? Exactly. Honeybee scouts. And for fly out, they use this explore possible nest sites. Explore is for fly out. Yeah. So honeybee scouts. Like, you say he gets up early in the morning. Honeybee gets up. Gets with an S. This is present in definite present simple tense. So honeybee scouts.
Sir, explore ke liye to investigate?
For explore, yes, that is investigate. Exactly. Possible nest sites. Okay, next question number 11. They perform. What does they mean? Honeybees. Very good. You should know that very carefully. Now read this sentence as honeybees perform what is known as a dash on their return. When they come back, they perform something. Let's go back. Good. Return. They do. For perform, they use the word do. They do a woggle dance. They perform or they do a woggle dance. And for return, they have used the word, on their return. So the answer is waggle dance or woggle dance. Clear? Good. Then there is one point without a question. So it means you got to leave a couple of lines. Then question number 12. Enthusiasm and dash increase. 2 things increase. And for increase they can use improve or boost or anything like that. Enthusiasm and dash increase for one particular site. Let's go back. Enthusiasm and dash increase for one particular site. For increase, they use the word builds up. Builds up. For increase, they use the word like builds up. So what is it that builds up? Huh? Okay, please come to last paragraph, title page, last paragraph, last line. The more they like their nest. Found it? Now please be with me. It's very simple. The more they like their nest, the more vigorous and lengthy their woggle dance. So vigorous means their enthusiasm. right? More they like their nest, the more vigorous and lengthy their vogel dance. So for enthusiasm, they have mentioned vigorous. Now the second word we are going to find, their vogel dance, and the more bees will choose to visit it. Gradually, the volume of bees builds up towards one side. So gradually the volume builds up towards one side means volume increases for one particular site. Answer is volume. Volume means number. Tadad. It's good that this test is a little more complicated. I mean, you can understand more and you must practice it, okay? Question number 13. A final choice is reached using a dash process. Honeybees reach a final choice that will make a beehive there ke chatta kahan pe banana hai, right? So a final choice is reached using a dash. Same paragraph, same lines. It's a system. For system they use the word process. It's a system that ensures that support from the best for the best side snowball, and decision is made in the most democratic way. Now for way they use the word process. Yeah. Decision is made the most democratic way. That means a final choice is reached. Final choice means decision. Final choice is reached in the most democratic way. So the answer is democratic. Why not democratic way? Because process is already written. So process is for way. So the answer is democratic. Right? Okay. Abhi to party shuru.